We're here on a stem wall project. Oxidized rebar is breaking out this entire side right here, causing this horizontal crack to occur. Chloride ion drive is creating the low voltage electrical current in the steel that's expanding up to 5 times its size in diameter, breaking out this whole side. And continues, and will go all the way around the house. What has to be done is pretty much the rule that most all contractors go by, is that you sand, once you chip out the broken concrete and get to the reinforcement steel that's on the interior here, and then sandblast it. The issue with sandblasting is you can't get all of the rust off of that steel. Here at Concrete Repairman LLC, we remove the steel and replace it with new number 4 bar reinforcement steel coated with rust inhibitor epoxy. This rust inhibitor epoxy is not going to allow any more moisture to be introduced to the steel and create the expansion of the steel. Once we replace the interior reinforcement steel, then we're going to put structural hydraulic grout, and we're going to bring this out to a nice smooth paintable surface. Then we're going to waterproof from the top all the way down this vertical wall, because we do know that the reason why this occurred is because of moisture. It takes moisture, oxygen, and steel to throw a party called oxidation, which expands the steel, causing this problem. And the electrical current that runs through it will go left and right, both directions, causing a lot of damage. And over here is a hurricane strap, or a Simpson tie-down strap. And the rule of thumb for this is if the rebar, for an example, has scalled itself or peeled itself down 20% or more of itself, it gets removed and replaced. However, in this situation, this hurricane strap, or Simpson tie-down strap is what it's called, we cut the top and we cut the bottom. All of this is going to be removed down here to this crack. So all of this whole section will be removed, and we'll cut it off at the bottom, cut it off at the top. And then we put our rust inhibitor on the top and on the bottom, and then patch it back with structural grout, waterproof, and paint. This process with Concrete Repairman, we always excavate the dirt. We put our tarps down so the dirt and the decorative rocks don't get mixed up together, because we do know we have to excavate to waterproof the foundation, which most companies do not do, and it is recommended to stop any moisture from going into this foundation, causing that. And you can see where the paint is painted down to the top of the dirt. The dirt gets wet below the paint, the moisture goes in, activates the steel. Pretty simple. Any new homeowners watching this video, it is recommended you waterproof the perimeter foundation before any dirt goes next to this or your home. And dirt grading and rain gutters are always recommended. For more information about oxidized rebar, stem wall crack repair, foundation crack repair, floor grinding, floor stitching, and floor leveling, contact James at 602-418-2970. And you can always call me to do a foundation inspection. And you can also go to concreterepairman.com. Thanks for visiting, and have a great day.